Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Vercel for hosting mobile app webhooks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Vercel website at vercel.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You can choose to sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. If you prefer, you can also register with an email address. For email registration, enter your email and click on Continue. Check your email inbox for a confirmation link from Vercel. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once verified, you will be taken back to the Vercel dashboard. Now, you need to create a new project. Click on the New Project button on your dashboard. You will be prompted to import a Git repository. Select the repository for your mobile app. If you haven't linked any repositories, follow the prompts to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. After selecting the repository, click on Import. You will be directed to a configuration page. Here, you can configure your project settings, like framework and environment variables if needed. After configuring your settings, click on Deploy. Vercel will now begin the deployment process. Once deployment is complete, you will see a success message. Copy the deployment URL provided. Next, you will need to set up your webhooks. Navigate to the Settings tab within your project. Under the Webhooks section, click on Add Webhook. Enter the URL where your webhooks will send requests. Configure any additional options you might need. Finally, click Save to complete the webhook setup. You have now successfully registered with Vercel for hosting mobile app webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.